So the first question asking to find the standard deviation of the sampling distribution for sample size N120. So use the standard deviation, but first gotta find the mean of p hat. So 600 divided by 635, 0.944, and then use 0.94 in the standard deviation. 1 minus 0.944 for q divided by 120, and then square root that, and I get 0.0209, and then rounded 0.021. And for the second question is asking find the upper bound of the confidence level, the interval appropriation with the 95% confidence level. So first I get n, which is 340, and then x 90. So first find p hat, so x over n, so 90 divided by 340 equals 2.2647, and then rounded 2.65, and then you look at the z-squared chart, and it was 1.960. And then for 3, gotta find the standard deviation. We're getting a table for the xi and pxi, and you gotta fill it out. So I get xi times pxi, so 0.2, 0.8, and then 2.7, and xi minus the mean was 3.8. So I get negative 2.8, negative 1.8, and then 3.2, and then square root the mean. 7.84, 3.24, 10.24, and then xi minus m squared times pxi. So 1.568, 2.592, and then 28.672, and then add all these up and then square root it. So square root 32.832, and I get 5.73. And then for the fourth question, asking what's the probability of 2 or more people would fail taking tests. So I get n, number people 12, so probability with n 0.115, q 1 minus 0.115, 0.885. I find that mean first because I'm more comfortable with that, and then use the standard deviation, so n pq, so 12 times 0.115, 0.85, and then standard deviation was 1.015. And then for 5, I used the binomial distribution, so n 50 teenagers, probability was